Batch convert PDF to DOCX Word files in Doxillion. To batch convert PDFs to Word documents with Doxillion, add your PDF files and click the Select All button. Choose DOCX as the output format, then click Convert to start the process. Continue watching this tutorial for more details on how to batch convert PDF to DOCX Word documents with Doxillion. To quickly convert multiple PDF files to DOCX Word format, add your PDF files by simply dragging and dropping them into the program window. Alternatively, click the Add Files button and select the files you wish to convert. Once your files are added, it will appear on the file list. You can either click the Select All button to choose all of them, or hold down the Ctrl key and select specific files individually. Afterward, choose DOCX as the output format from the Convert to dropdown menu. Next to the dropdown, there is a Document Settings button where you can set and edit the margins of the converted files. Select your preferred unit, either inches or centimeters, then enter the top, bottom, left, and right margins. You can also set metadata tags for the converted file, such as author, description, and keywords. Enable the checkbox to preserve the original file's date and time in the converted file. Click OK to save your changes and close the dialog. When you're ready, click the Convert button to begin the conversion process. Once it's complete, you can easily access your newly converted files by clicking the Open Output Folder button. For more Doxillion tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.